Should countries like India and China continue to wait to see how the courts rule on the tariffs being imposed by President Trump? Well, here is the new twist. What has happened thus far is on Wednesday, and I'm going to read this thing, the Court of International Trade said that Trump did not have the authority under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose sweeping tariffs. So what did they do? They put a hold on the tariffs. Then the Trump administration appealed the ruling in front of a federal court of appeal, and the federal court on Thursday has passed the Wednesday night's ruling from the Court of International that blocked the tariffs of President Trump, which means that the tariffs will continue until this Court of Appeals has had a chance to look at it. When is it going to take a look at it? By the beginning of next month, because what it has done is it has asked both parties to present their argument so that the Court of Appeals can decide. Supposing the Court of Appeals decides one way, the other side is going to go to the Supreme Court. For sure. I mean, this is going to find its way up the ladder in terms of the importance of the court. And I think it's going to land in front of the Supreme Court. But my guess is that Trump in this case has the backing of Congress, and I think that is going to be the clincher. I don't know if somebody is going to see it any differently. My 2 cents is that Trump is going to eventually win, but there will be a little bit of a pause, a little bit of a breather. But I don't think any country should stop negotiating because of this. This is a fairly fundamental thing. In fact, if you remember, during the first few years of United States independence, they used to routinely levy tariffs. So this is not something that is something new. So people need to understand that tariffs have been a weapon that United States has used in the past, and I think it will continue to use that in the future. So let the negotiations continue, get the best deal you can. In fact, you might get a better deal now if you say that, look, Trump, you're going to win, but we would like you to relax this, and get those relaxations in. This would be my advice to India. Thank you very much. Namaskar.